Hey everyone, so today I wanted to talk about First Friday releases as well as show you what came in the December subscription kit. I believe most of you should have received the kit already, but if you haven't, then I will do the First Friday releases first, and then I'll do the subscription kit after, so you can click out if you want to be surprised if you haven't received yours yet. So I want to do these videos every first weekend of the month, or the weekend after First Friday, just to show you the new releases, the sub reveal, and any shop announcements. So first I'm gonna show you what came for the First Friday releases. So our February kit was released yesterday for First Friday, and the artwork was done again by Sequins and Paper. She did our January artwork as well as our October 2018 artwork. So you'll probably be seeing her doing my artwork a lot because I really love her style and we work really well together. She's so sweet. Nicole is her name, from Sequins and Paper. So she did the artwork for this. This is, I called it Nothing But Love because it is Valentine's themed, but also kind of just love themed. So not totally specifically for Valentine's Day, just love all around, love between, you know, like romantic love, friendship, love just in general towards the world. So we try to incorporate those elements. So that's why I called it Nothing But Love. And then this is sheet A. So sheet A always comes with deco. So we have like a Valentine, some kiss marks, some conversation hearts that say besties, good vibes, be mine, and coffee. We have a best friends necklace. I used to love those when I was younger. And then a couple of flowers, some coffee with some hugs and kisses marks on the cup. And then this little hand here, the peace sign, and then the love ring there. I really love this artwork a lot just because it's just kind of like, this is more general, like, you know, peace in the world, love in the world for everybody. And then on sheet A, you also always get these icons or doodles here. This month and next month boxes to put words or goals or focuses for the current month and the following month. Some mini page flags there and some washi strips, polka dot washi strips. So that's sheet A. Sheet B is the full boxes. So you have 8 full boxes, and these are sized in case you are new to the shop or you didn't realize these widths are smaller now. The widths before used to be 1.5 inches wide by 2 inches tall, and they're smaller now. I believe the width is 1.25 inches wide. I can't really remember what the height is, but it might still be 2. I can't remember. Sorry about that. But basically it's just a little bit smaller because it fits more insert layout. So that's why I decided to make all my stickers a little bit smaller so they can fit more universally across the board. So I really love this clip art here. I just took some of those elements from the deco and I put it into the full boxes. Oh, and then you also have that extra washi strip down there just because there was some extra space. And then sheet C is always the half boxes, quarter boxes, and flags. And so I took the flower that was in the deco and I blew it up and used it as a very light background to these boxes and flags. I thought it turned out really pretty. So you just have some white with black outline, some gray, the flower background, and a marble background. And again, these are 1.25 inch in width. And then sheet D is always the headers and bottom washi. So this is just bigger washi strips. If you can see, this is 1 and this is 2 all across the bottom. And it's just the hugs and kisses, X and O's. And then some black headers and some gray headers there. So yeah, that's the February kit. I really like how it turned out. So every first Friday, I have a free download on the website. So January's first Friday freebie was this card here. It's underneath this. So it's this Hustle and Heart card. I already kind of popped it into my planner here. So when you print it out, I guess it depends how your printer prints, and on the website it looks a little bit darker than mine printed out. I really wanted it to be this color. It's a like really pale pink, like a nude pink color, and it has Hustle and Heart in black, and I just thought this would be really cute for January setups, just as we start the new year and we're like excited and pumped up to really hustle this year. And so this was I thought a cute reminder just to hustle but also follow your heart. So I put mine right here in the front of my planner. So that's the first Friday freebie that was released yesterday. You can find it at theplannerspot.com. And then I'm going to show you what came for the December subs, which were mailed out on Monday. So I believe most of you should have received it already. If you haven't and you want to be surprised, you can click out now. But this is what came in the sub. So first are these cards. So they're, I believe, 2.5 by 2.5 inches, white, thick cardstock, and gold foil. So this one says, be the girl of your dreams. And this is actually the freebie. So I wanted to explain, because this was actually supposed to be the freebie that came in the subscription kits. However, my printer, I use outside printer, he wasn't able to get it foiled well. This process for foiling on white, he can do well, but foiling on color, he's working it out. So half of the cards didn't come out good, so I had to scrap that idea, and then I ended up adding this instead, because what was supposed to come in the subscription were just these 4 cards, and then because the Hustle and Heart cards with the foil didn't come out well, I added in this card. So this is technically the freebie that came with all the December subscription kits. So it's Be the Girl of Your Dreams, and this was actually a little teaser to a new project that I'm working on called Dream Girls & Co. So I have all the information here on the back. I don't know if those of you that got the sub, I don't know if you noticed that. These things are up kind of like my Twitter and Instagram, but I haven't fully it's not ready yet. I wanted to use this as a teaser, but you can go ahead and start like requesting to be part of the group, or to you can follow along on Instagram or Twitter. And once, you know, I get things going this upcoming week, then you'll already be following. And I have the website reserved, but nothing's up there yet, but it will be, so stay tuned for that. So this is just a new project I'm working on. I told you, if you've been around, I've been mentioning that I really want to provide more content in 2019, and this is really the tool that I'm going to use for providing more content, as far as like blog posts and a Dream Girls & Co community. Videos and shop and everything is still the Planner Spot. So I'll tell you more about that later. But I wanted to give you a little teaser, as well as this card that you can put in the front of your planners or somewhere in your planners, kind of as a little motivation for 2019. So this is the freebie that came with the December kits. And then these are the cards that you got. So the first one was, hello, this planner belongs to, and then some space for your contact information. Thought this was really cute. I wanted one for myself to put in the front of my planner, so in case I lose it, that whoever finds it has the info to return it to me. And then these cards are kind of like, I thought was a great idea for the new year again. So a lot of the stuff that I'm releasing is themed for, you know, the new year, getting ready for the new year, motivation and stuff like that. So I had a lot of people use word of the year. So I have word for 2019, but some people might not have a word. They might have a quote, or, you know, it might be longer than a word. So that's why I provided these two options, or you can use both. So word for 2019 and focus for 2019. And then top 3. So your top 3 goals or focuses for 2019, or just life in general. So yeah, you get those 4 planner cards. And then the other stationery item was this notepad. So it's marble lined with my hand lettering that just says notes. I believe there's like 50 pages, so a lot of pages there. It's pocket sized, so these pages can fit in pocket sized planners and bigger. And I don't know, I really like how this turned out a lot. I might bring this to the main shop just because I really love how they turned out, and I've been getting a lot of good feedback on it. So yeah, it's on the same kind of paper I print my inserts, 32 pounds, so nice quality paper. And then the stickers that came with the kit. The first set are these occasions, and so these are just really small, teeny tiny icons, circle icons. So what I did is I took the main holidays or occasions throughout the year, and I just made them into little icons. And so what I wanted to do underneath is, because in case you didn't know, like this microphone, in case you didn't know what that was supposed to be for, I put descriptions below. And then what I ended up doing is cutting around the descriptions. So if you wanted to take those off and use them with the icon, you can. But because the space was so little, some of them got, the line break was kind of weird, like Columbus Day. I had to split it up like that. And so you can use it, or you can just use it with the icons. I would, myself personally, I'm just going to use the icons, but I did want to give you the option to use the text as well. So I cut little rectangles around those. So those are all the holidays or occasions in the year, like even taxes and stuff like that. And then the next sheet are these transparent dots. So it's this is like black, but it's not really black. I lightened it up a little bit, so it really looks like a charcoal or dark gray color, and then a light gray, and then a light pink. And then let me show you how it looks. This is the way I use it in my planner. So here on my year at a glance, here's how the light pink looks, and I use it to track my menstrual cycle. And so you can use it for anything you want, but it fits really nicely here in the year at a glance calendar. So yeah, you get a whole page of those. And then the next sheet are these calendar days. So it's 1 through 31, and then I had some extra space here, so I just kind of added, like, if you wanted to mark paydays, and or just a little asterisk right there. And then days of the week, Monday through Sunday, there's 5 sets, so you can use it for a whole month. So this is meant to cover a whole month's worth, and I've been getting a lot of good feedback on this too, that people are loving this. So I think I might bring this to the main shop eventually as well. This is like a medium gray and black. And then the last sheet is a deco sheet, like a boss. And again, it's that whole like New Year hustle, let's get it kind of vibe here. So just a bunch of like planner stuff and coffee, of course, and like a boss. So I thought those were super cute. And that's about it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.